Every strong haul is a machine built to conquer. Mining tippers operate in extreme conditions: sharp rocks, rough roads, and non-stop pressure. That's why they run best on solid tires. 100% puncture-proof, heat-resistant, and made for zero downtime. Unlike air-filled tires, solid tires never blow out, never deflate, and never stop your work. More strength, less maintenance. Solid tires carry the heaviest loads with unmatched stability and a longer lifespan. Boost your mining tipper's performance with solid reliability. When every trip counts and failure is not an option, solid tires deliver unmatched strength, stability, and confidence. Choose tires that won't quit. Choose SOLIDO. Solid, strong, unstoppable.